Hi everyone, and welcome to your second week of Live Well in the New Year with me. I hope that you are doing well and that the challenge is going strong so far. We're going to get into our core again, and we're going to start lying down onto our backs. Remember, more than 5 minutes, less than 10. All right? Lay on down with me. Go ahead and exhale. Extend your feet high into the air. All right? Let's go. Opposite hand to opposite foot. So we're just kind of reaching across the body, very simple. Good. Getting warmed up. You're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Put your hands behind your head. Exhale, crunch up, twist to your left, extend your right leg. Good. Bring it back in. Just to the left, twist. Good. Just to the left, twist. So we're staying on one side as you rotate across, okay? Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands stay behind your head, knees stay at 90, okay? We go ahead and twist to our right, extend the left leg. Good, center, twist, center, twist, center. Good. So just moving to the right, you're here for 4, 3, 2, one more, 1. Good. Exhale, extend your arms over your head. Good, and then I want you to pick up your head, neck, and shoulders. Now push your feet forward, hover, 5. Draw your low belly in, 4. My head is lifted if you can, 2. Bring it in, rest. All right, one more like that. Again, arms over your head, option 1, head stays down, option 2, lift with me. Now ready, set, legs go out, hold, 4. Stay here, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Side lying obliques. So bring your feet together, stack your legs. Bottom hand down, shoulder hand alignment, arm overhead. Ready, set, lift up. 1, 2. We're going to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By the way, my abs were sore after filming for these, so don't worry if you're sore. That's good. One more. Good. All right. Switcheroo to the other side. Again, forearm down, shoulder down, forearm long. Now reach over the head. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7. And guess what? If you need more, all you gotta do is repeat some of the videos, right? Good. Last 3, 2, 1. All right. Sit up nice and tall. Engage your core. Pick up your feet. All right. So boat pose in what we would call a yoga class. So lift up through your chest. Pull your knees in tight and then maybe extend your arms. Good. Pulse. 8, 7. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more. Good. Sit up tall, little rest. All right, now we twist side to side. So bring your knees back to neutral. Ready? Knuckles touch. Go twist, right, left, right, left. Good. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold center. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Back to the first side of side lying obliques. Okay, so for me, that was my left side down. All right, right side working. Bottom hand down, shoulder in 3, 2, 1. Lift. 10, 9, 8. You can make this a little bit easier if you'd like by bending your knees. Okay, good. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Lay down on the opposite side. Good job. All right. Forearm down, shoulder down. Ready, set, and go. Now you might notice one side is slightly easier than the other. Pretty normal. All right, so just do the best you can. with what you got. Good. Give me 4 more. Really work to sit up. Sit up. Good. 2 and 1. Now we make a big transition to plank, okay? So go ahead, ground your hands, slide your legs back for plank. Engage your core here. Now, extend your right hand forward, fingertips down. Good. Now lift your left leg. Pull your left knee to your left elbow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Less stability when the arm is extended, right? 2, 1. Plank. Hold. Left fingertips out long. Engage your core. Right leg lifts. Ready? Right knee, right tricep. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, high plank, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, drop it down. Now, forearm plank, but dolphin. So butt in the air, forearms are down like a forearm plank, okay? Shift the chest forward, shift it back. If you've worked out with me before, you've done these before. Good. Core is super, super engaged. Abdominal muscles hugging in tight. 4, 3. Keep lifting up through your core. 2. One more. 1. Good. Knees drop down. Now, straighten the arms again. Come back to high plank. One foot, then the other. All right. Low belly stays lifted. I want you to go ahead and drop the right forearm. Good. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Straighten the arm. Drop the left forearm, okay? Right hand stays in plank. 4, 3, 2. Back to high plank. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Drop down. One more flip onto your back, okay? So we're gonna practice that hollow hold one more time, arms over your head. Well, last exercise, we're gonna practice it twice, okay? Reach, lift up through the core, extend your legs, ready? Scoop that belly in and down, hollow hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, rest. All right, last one, I promise. Arms over your head. Stay here if you need to. Otherwise, pick up your head with me. Pick up your shoulders. Pick up your legs. 5. Come on, scoop that belly in and down. 4, 3. Do not drop early. 2. Come on. Drop down. Awesome job, guys. Give yourself a big hug. Feel free to hit replay and do it again. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another core workout, followed by yoga to end the week. Bye.